Today I want to show you how to make the most simple, amazing, and delicious Greek style chickpea salad. The hardest part about this thing is boiling the chickpeas, assuming you use the dry ones. I prefer not using the canned ones. Although they're simpler, they're already done and ready to go. A lot more sodium, a lot more sugar, just not a healthy option, but if that's the way you want to go, totally fine. Now, for those of you that want to go the dry chickpea route, this is how I do it. I soak my chickpeas in water overnight for at least 12 hours, and then I boil them for at least another hour and a half to 2 hours, unsalted. That way your chickpea gets done and they look like this. These are absolutely gorgeous. Very healthy, very nutritious, and delicious. So, just place some chickpeas now on the bottom of your platter, and this is like the serving thing. Now, the next thing after this is actually building our salad. So, I'm gonna start off with some onion. Now, you can use purple onion, you can use white onion, whatever it is you want, and just chop it as finely. I'm just slicing it up nice and easy, nothing complicated. So, take a little bit of our onion and just kind of spread it over our salad, just like that, because you can't have a salad without onion, as far as I'm concerned. So, half an onion, boom. I'm gonna take cucumber. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quarter my cucumber, and I'm just gonna put it in like little chunks. Again, this is like a Greek salad with the base of chickpeas. Perfect, just like that. And you're gonna take the cucumber and just over our salad, just like that. Now, do you see where I'm going with this? Next thing is tomato. Now, if your tomatoes are fairly ripe like mine are, don't use a non-serrated knife, use a serrated knife. You'll get more, it'll be easier for you to cut and use the tomato. So all I'm gonna do is just cube it up like this and just start cutting it up into like small little squares or chunks. Nothing complicated. You don't have to do kind of any crazy cutting for this, just small cubes. And even if you get the tomato juices in here from this, this is actually going to be fantastic because it adds to the flavor of this. So let me take this and put it over my salad. Just like, look at all these colors that are happening now here too. You got the greens, you got the red, the white. It just, everything's coming together. So again, just cut this up like this, cut this across like this, and little cubes. You don't want, this isn't like a choriatiki salad where you have these big chunks of tomato. You don't need to go for that in this case. So over this, just like that. Perfect. Look how beautiful that's coming along. Very, very nice. The next thing to go over this is a little bit of parsley. I love parsley, and like I said, you can use it for garnish, but it's also a nice flavoring for this salad. And you really don't need much at all for this. So just put that over just like that. Perfect. And no salad would be complete without feta. We can't forget of the feta. And in this case, I'm just gonna crumble some feta over this, probably about 100 grams. Nothing, you know, you can put as much or as little of this as you like. But let me tell you something. It's gonna add like a perfect saltiness, a brininess to this dish. Absolutely fantastic. Let me wash off my hands real quick. Next thing to go on this is a little bit of my Greek dried oregano. And not a shameless plug, but it is a shameless plug. You can get this off my website and just sprinkle that and over this, and it's going to give you that traditional Greek flavor, and it's fantastic. I love this. And lastly, a few Kalamata olives. And again, these are my own olives. Just put them around You can put as many as you like. I like to go generous on the Kalamata olives. I think they provide an excellent flavor, and what the hell. So the olives are in. Now a little bit of red wine vinegar will go in, just a splash, nothing too much, just like that. And the final and binding ingredient to this, my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Check this out. Tell me this is not like gorgeous. And just drizzle some olive oil there, just like that. And my friends, you are pretty much ready to go. Boom. My Greek style chickpea salad, perfect for any occasion. Very simple to make. It takes like no time, and it's super delicious. Let me just take a little spoon here and just try this puppy out here, because I'm going to take a little feta. I'm going to take a little chickpea. Oh my God. So delicious. This is unbelievably good for its simplicity. The chickpeas give you a beautiful chew or a texture. All the flavors of the feta, tomato, the onion, the Kalamata olives. It is absolutely fantastic. I urge you to try this. To my vegetarian friends, this is right up your alley. You just can't beat this. So that's it for this episode on my Greek style traditional or a Greek style chickpea salad. Very easy to make. Hardest thing is boiling or preparing the chickpeas. If you get the canned, you will skip that step altogether. So I thank you so much for watching. Until next time, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe as well, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.